Hello guys, it's Kelly's TV. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. Before we get right into the video of today, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment. So guys, seeing the rain for the first time in several months can make almost everyone very happy. But do you know it made someone like Nairamarley leave the comfort of his mansion to play under it in some kiddish fashion? Nairamarley was so happy to see the first rain that he jumped out of his house with an army of dogs just to play under it. You could hear him shouting excitedly as he ran along the street. So guys, before I will play the video, I would love to ask a simple question. Will you do same when you see the rain around your area? Kindly share with us in the comment section. Here is the video.
Hey, let's go. Wait. Wait, guys, let's go. Hey! Hey! Come on, boy. Hey! Let's go! Let's go! Warriors! Nova. Warriors! Hey! Hey! Warriors! Oh shit! I need to put my phone in my balls. So it can dry. So it can dry up for a minute. This is how we go. Where's my phone? Hey, let's look on Joe. Where's it going? Who are you going to attack? Where are you going? Let's go home. Good! Okay, I'll see you guys later. Hey! Yay! 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 Mondo! Yay! Yay! Òtútù mú mi! Yay! Yay! Ta ló máa bá mi sùn báyìí o? Ta ló máa fún mi ní ọdún báyìí o? Yay! Mama, I need a jacket. I need jacket. I need something to wear, bro. I am cold, bro. Yay! I need to go under the cover or something. I can't feel my face. I'm so moving, bro. I'm fucking cold, bro. It's me. 4 minutes, 2 minutes. Yay! Let's go. Yay! Oh, no. Mogo, I'm coming. Let me message someone's sister. Guys, Mumbo.